You fucking morons.
Not a cause, just a beat of bars, jumping at not a stress. Arms, love, distance, we never too close to hit it. They never could go to stretch. I'm bouncing on the ground, the pressure fly me with it. I'm telling my dog, sit. You never deny I did it. I feel like the stars turn. I feel it for 5, 6. Who believe my right rich? New degree, new device. We the least in this life. Can't treat me like no side bitch. Keep it applied, thick. Take it out.
Look at him.
Yeah. Whoa! Okay.
You fucking moron.
Takes 28 years just to figure it out. 28 ways just to let it out.
Don't miss your chance. Only on Nova 100. The Shell Motorsport Collection is back at Shell OTR and Ready Express. New model released each week. While stocks last, T's and C's and exclusions apply. See shell.com.au/modelcars.
Tomorrow.
What the fuck? She's big enough not to be in a car seat, G.
Guys! What the frick
Yeah.
is frick? What are you doing? Okay.
Fucking U-turn.
Why are you in your turn?
So time too.
Turn left, then you have reached your destination. It is on your left.
Shit.
Hello, you know? What are you doing? Wrong way. 很好笑，哇，他来骂我了。
你有骂回他吗？
他异线哎。I want to go straight, mate. I want to go straight. You're on one way. Hey, go. You're blocking the way.
Go!
Can you just leave some space for me to go?
You know how to drive, that's your problem. Oh. You know how to drive, you were driven away 3 hours ago.
Oh yeah, sure.
Drive!
Sure.
You're not gonna hit your little shitty car, you're fine.
有病啊，这个人。
Especially a couple of pig squirrels in there. They've been around for a long time, despised icon. They took maybe a decade or so.
What the? She ain't about it, bro. I ain't going out my cheese. You don't come on when I'm laying down, stay the same. This shit ain't buddy. Listen. What the fuck? Oh.
Red light speed camera ahead. The speed limit is 80 kilometers.
easy. They should come with us now by consent, Quinton. That's what we're asking you to do, and put these standards in place so we can stabilise competition and we can get workers with a reasonable living. Yes.